Hello, I'm Rage Storms.
And I'm the Crazy Cowboy.
And you may be wondering why on a cold day we're enjoying root beer floats and orange cream floats. Well, we do things a little different around here. And I've seen lots of storm chasers out there driving around trying to make the snow look fun, and I think it's just boring. So this is how we chase snow around here.
Slow.
Should be nice and thick and slow moving right now.
Huh?
That oil should be nice, thick, and slow moving right now.
I said it's low.
We don't need no four-wheel drive.
How fast have you been around that corner?
I've drifted on that corner and drive paved. He didn't make it very far.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring. To feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
The thing is, I don't know where the dishes are at. You can only see my old tracks. Alright, take two. I forgot my GoPro mount. So we're taking to record everything with my phone. We've driven up and down the driveway a few times. This is a private driveway, by the way, so that we get the trailer back there. And now we going to have some fun. Yee-hoo! Whoa! Almost in the ditch. Let's not do that. Wait till he comes around. Four-wheeler stuck. He won't drag race me. He said he don't want to break his car. But he wants to drift. Yee-hoo! I'm good for that.